Sunken rooms are ideal for homes with a large open layout. When there are few walls, creating rooms on a lower level clearly defines the area without obstructing sightlines. The sense of openness is maintained without obliterating the distinction between, for example, the living room and kitchen. Sunken spaces create more space between the ceiling and the floor, which can create the illusion of an enormous amount of space. The additional space between the floor and ceiling makes it feel bigger. Additionally, installing a skyline or other eye-catching lighting fixture above the sunken area can drive the eye upward. When compared to a box-like layout, a sunken room adds character to homes. Certain homes even include circular recessed chambers and unique woodwork to draw the eye to the details. Cozy sunken rooms furnished with plush sofas and pillows are an excellent way to create a more intimate atmosphere in your house. Whether you want this sunken space for a get-together to play board games, watch a movie, or have a conversation, it forces your family members into a smaller space, creating a cozier atmosphere. If you ask the majority of individuals what they are not particularly fond of when it comes to sunken living rooms, the most common response would be that they are inconvenient. There is a chance of tripping and falling if you are not anticipating a few steps heading into a sunken room. While this may seem insignificant, if you live with someone who has accessibility concerns, sunken rooms might be harmful. Let's face it, there isn't much else you can do with a sunken space, and this may be the biggest complaint. While you can reuse a room for relaxing or convert it to a playroom, you are limited in terms of layout options due to the sometimes strange space. Conversation pits will always remain in the same location, and you will always be constrained by the size and shape. The stone fireplace is definitely one of the best things in the room, and the sunken area just looks and feels extremely cozy. The upholstered furniture is a good reminder that comfortable seating is key in a sunken living room. Rising a sunken living room includes numerous tasks that are usually handheld by a remodeling contractor. If you plan to do the work yourself, you will save on labor costs, but you will still need to cover the costs of materials, tools, equipment, and hired hand assistants. The tasks required to complete this project involve some high-level carpentry skills and experience. It also requires several specialized tools. If you don't have those tools on hand, you will need to buy or rent them, adding to your total expenses and possibly erasing any savings you would enjoy from tackling the work on your own. Thanks for watching. Until next time.